Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved single-player offline. Playing offline offers a unique experience, allowing you to explore, build, and survive at your own pace without external interruptions. You can pause the game anytime and enjoy a stable, lag-free environment. We will cover the essential steps to get your single-player world up and running smoothly, ensuring you have full control over your Ark journey. Get ready to master the prehistoric world on your own terms. Once you've launched your single-player game, the real fun begins with customization. Ark offers extensive settings to tailor your experience. You can increase your experience gain by 2 or 3 times, boost resource harvesting by 5 times, or even adjust creature damage. Want to tame a powerful dinosaur in just a few minutes instead of several hours? You can do that too. Experiment with these options to create a world that perfectly suits your playstyle and makes your offline adventure truly unique. Surviving alone in Ark requires smart strategies. Your first priority should be establishing a secure shelter to protect yourself and your early tames from aggressive creatures. Next, focus on taming utility dinosaurs like a Dodosaurus for stone or an Ankylosaurus for metal. They will significantly speed up your resource gathering. Don't be afraid to explore. The world is vast, offering unique challenges and valuable resources in every biome. Remember, patience and planning are key to thriving in your single-player Ark world. For those looking to dive deeper, Ark single-player mode offers advanced features. You can use console commands to spawn items, teleport, or even change the time of day, giving you immense creative control. Regularly backing up your save files is crucial. It protects your progress from unforeseen issues. Furthermore, explore the vast world of community-created mods. These can introduce new creatures, structures, or gameplay mechanics, adding hundreds of hours of fresh content to your offline Ark adventure. The possibilities are nearly endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.